Good morning to one and all. Myself, Maheshwar Rao. So today discussing the topic transfer functions of DC servo motor and AC servo motor. In DC servo motor, two windings are DC motor, armature winding and field winding. So armature controlled transfer function, field controlled transfer function, and AC servo motor transfer function. Okay. So the transfer function of armature controlled DC motor or DC servo motor. So first in DC motor, two windings. So first armature winding and field winding, armature winding and field winding. So this is armature controlled DC motor. This is armature voltage, armature current IA, armature resistance RA, armature inductance LA, and the back EMF EB, and the connecting torque, applied torque T, and the angular displacement theta. Angular displacement is theta, and the connecting load J is moment of inertia, B is frictional coefficient, and this is the connecting load, and the armature voltage, armature current IA, and the armature resistance RA. Okay. So this is armature resistor, and this is completely armature controlled. This is field controlled. So today, first you are determine the transfer function of armature controlled DC motor only. So this is armature resistance, armature inductance, back EMF EB, armature voltage VA, armature current IA, and armature inductance LA. Okay. So this is the armature controlled. So first armature voltage, and write the all the terms. This is field resistor, field inductance, field current, field voltage, field voltage, field current, field resistance, field inductance, and these are the armature controlled. So theta means angular displacement, T is applied torque. So first apply KVL at the armature loop. So enduku determine the armature controlled DC motor. So first apply KVL at armature loop. Apply KVL at armature loop. Apply KVL at armature loop. VA is equal to RA into IA plus LA into DIA by DT plus back EMF. Voltage across the resistor V is equal to I into R. Voltage across the inductor V is equal to L into DI by DT plus back EMF. So in this KVL apply. So VA is equal to IARA plus LA into DIA by DT plus back EMF. So the connecting load, ఏ కనెక్ట్ చేసాం లోడ్ మనం, J and B. J means moment of inertia, B is frictional coefficient. So and the torque is applied torque T, and the opposing torque J and B. J and B. Opposing torque, moment of inertia, opposing torque Tj, frictional coefficient, opposing torque Tb. So this connecting load, applied torque is T, opposing torques Tj and Tb. So a Newton's second law states that sum of applied torques is equal to sum of opposing torques. T is equal to Tj plus Tb. So T is equal to Tj plus Tb. And torque is, first one is apply KVL at armature loop, and the connecting load J and B, opposing torque, moment of inertia, opposing torque is directly proportional to the angular acceleration. What is angular acceleration? D square theta by dt square. Frictional coefficient, opposing torque, angular velocity. So B into d theta by dt. So in the torque is directly proportional to the armature current. So torque is directly proportional to the armature current IA. So T is directly proportional to IA. So in the equal to some constant, so T, so KT into IA. KT into IA. So back EMF is directly proportional to the d theta by dt. D theta by dt. So back EMF is directly proportional to, back EMF is directly proportional to angular speed. What is angular speed? D theta by dt. D theta by dt. Back EMF is directly proportional to the angular speed. So angular speed sum is equal to back EMF is equal to, so in the constant is B, so K and B d theta by dt. So in the four equations, first equation is apply KVL at armature loop, connecting load J and B, torque is directly proportional to the armature current, back EMF is directly proportional to angular speed. So and apply Laplace transform, on equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first apply Laplace transform on equation 5. So in the back EMF is KB into d theta by dt, substitute equation 1. So ఇక్కడ back EMF ఉంది కదమ్మా, సో ఈ back EMF ప్లేస్ లో K suffix B into d theta by dt substitute చేస్తాం. And torque is K suffix T into IA substitute చేస్తాం. Laplace transform of 5 and 6. VA of S plus IA into RA of S plus LA into Laplace transform of d by dt S into IA of S plus KB into Laplace transform of d by dt is S into theta of S. S into theta of S. and this equation kt into ia of s, j Laplace transform of d square by dt square is s square. S square into theta of s, d into Laplace transform of d by dt is s into theta of s. So this is the Laplace transform. Ia of s terms is two terms. Ia of s is common. Ra plus LAS plus KBS into theta of s. So KT into Ia of s, and sixth equation Laplace transform JS square plus BS into theta of s. So Ia of s is JS square plus BS into theta of s by KT. So IA of s place lo eighth equation substitute chest. Eighth equation is substitute 7 in IA of s term. So IA of s is substitute 7th IA of s lo substitute chestunna. BA of s is equal to JS square plus BS by KT into theta of s into RA plus LAS into theta of s plus KBS into theta of s. In the first term is theta of s term, second term also in theta of s term. So theta of s is common. JS square plus BS into RA plus LAS by KT plus KBS into KT. And the equation BA of S in the theta of S is common. So KT by JS square plus BS into RA plus LAS plus KBS into KT. So function KT by JS square plus BS into RA plus LAS plus KBS into KT. This is the transfer function of armature controlled DC motor. Next, the transfer function of field controlled DC motor. So, field controlled DC motor. So, the field resistor and field inductance and field voltage VF, field voltage VF, and the field current IF at the field resistor RF, field inductance LF, and the same connecting load J and B, and the torque is applied torque T and the angular displacement theta. So this is the field controlled. Apply KVL at field loop. First point, apply KVL at field loop. Field voltage VF is equal to RF into IF plus LF into DIF by dt. VF is equal to RF into IF. Voltage across resistor V is equal to IR, RF into IF plus LF into DIF by dt. And the connecting load same J and B. So applied torque is T applied torque is T, opposing torque Tj and Tb. Tj, moment of inertia, opposing torque Tj, and frictional coefficient opposing torque Tb. Moment of inertia opposing torque Tj is directly proportional to angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. What is angular acceleration? D square theta by dt square. D square theta by dt square. So Tj is equal to J into d square theta by dt square. Then Tj J into d square theta by dt square, and frictional coefficient opposing torque is directly proportional to the Tb angular velocity. Angular velocity. What is angular velocity? D theta by dt. So Tb is equal to some constant into d theta by dt. Okay, B to d theta by dt. So the torque is directly proportional to the field current IF. So torque is directly proportional to the current. So T is directly proportional to the in the armature controlled armature current, field controlled field. So armature controlled armature current and the field controlled field current. So T is directly proportional to the field current. So T is equal to some constant. So you are considered in the torque. So K suffix T into IF. Into IF. So equation 3 is substitute on 2. So KTF into IF is equal to J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt. So substitute torque is KTF by IF in the equation 1 or equation 2. So KTF IF is equal to J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt. Apply Laplace transform on apply KVL at field loop. So equation and the fourth equation. So VF of S, IF is IF of S into RF plus LF into IF of S. So in the IF of S is both are same common, RF plus LF. Yes. So KTF into IF of S is equal to J d square by dt square is S square into theta of S, Bs into theta of S. So in the first term is theta of S, second term also theta of S. So common theta of S, Js square plus Bs. So IF of S is equal to theta of S into Js square plus Bs by KTF. Equation 6 is substitute on 5. IF of S is theta of S Js square plus IF of S is substitute theta of S into Js square plus Bs by KTF into RF plus LFS. So equation lo substitute chestam. So the transfer function Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions. So the output of this DC servo motor theta of S. So angular displacement theta of S and the field voltage Vf of S. So the transfer function theta of S by Vf of S is equal to KTF by JS square plus BS into RF plus LFS. This is the transfer function of field controlled DC motor. And the last transfer function of AC servo motor. So T suffix M is torque developed by the motor, and the K1, K2 are the constants. E suffix C is applied voltage. D theta by dt is angular speed. J is moment of inertia. B is frictional coefficient. T suffix J. Moment of inertia opposing torque is moment of Tj. Frictional coefficient opposing torque is Tb. And the torque developed by the motor torque is constant equation K1 into EC minus K2 into d theta by dt. So motor torque Tm is equal to some constant K1 into applied voltage E suffix C minus some constant into angular speed d theta by dt. Angular speed d theta by dt, and the same DC motor connecting loads, same J and the B, J and B, and the connecting torque, applied torque T, and the opposing and the theta. Angular displacement theta, applied torque is T, and the same connecting load J and B, moment of inertia opposing torque Tj, frictional coefficient opposing torque Tb. So in the motor torque equation, K1 is C minus K2 into d theta by dt. So torque developed by the motor equation Tm is equal to K1 EC minus K2 into d theta by dt. And the connecting load same, applied torque T, opposing torques Tj and Tb. So load torque Tj plus Tb. Tj is J into d square theta by dt square plus B into d theta by dt. In the equilibrium condition, motor torque is equal to load torque. So Tm is equal to TL. So Tm K1. So the K1 EC minus K2 d theta by dt is equal to J. So equation K1 into EC minus K2 into d theta by dt is equal to j into d square theta by dt square plus b into d theta by dt. So apply Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform on equation 1. This is equation 1. K1 EC of yes, Laplace transform of EC is EC of yes. So K minus K2 Laplace transform of d by dt is yes into theta of yes is equal to j s square into theta of s square into theta of s plus b into d Laplace transform of d by dt s into theta of s. So in this theta of s equation is sent to the left side plus k2s into theta of s. So theta of s terms is 3. Theta of s is first term, second term, third term. So theta of s is common, js square plus bs plus k2s into theta of s. So the transfer function theta of s by ec of s, theta of s by ec of s is equal to k1 by js square plus bs js square plus bs plus k2s. This is the transfer function of field controlled DC motor. Sorry, AC servo motor. These are the transfer functions of AC and the DC servo motors. So it's very simple. Next, feedback. So feedback is the control action in which the output is compared with the input, sends the total information to error detector. Error signal is generated which is given to the based on input, appropriate controlling action. So feedback element ante enti? Compared input and output, sends the total information to the error detector. Error detector is eliminate all the errors. So there are two types of feedbacks, positive feedback and the negative feedback. So positive feedback and second one is negative feedback, positive and the negative feedback. What is meant by positive feedback is, so feedback is connecting through the positive error signal, positive signal. ఇక్కడ చూడండి నెగటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఈస్ కనెక్టింగ్ టు నెగటివ్ సిగ్నల్. ఇక్కడ నెగటివ్ కదమ్మా, సో ఇది ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్. input, C of S, this is output signal, this is feedback, this is main forward transfer function, main forward transfer function. So R of S input signal, C of S output signal, H of S is feedback signal, G of S is the main forward transfer function. This is error signal. So negative feedback means in this feedback is connecting to the negative signal. At a minus negative signal ki connect aithe negative feedback. And the feedback is connecting to positive signal. Feedback signal is connecting to positive, which is called positive feedback. So the transfer function of negative feedback is main forward transfer function G of S by 1 plus G of S into H of S. And the positive feedback G of S by 1 minus G of S H of S. G of S by 1 minus G of S H of S. And the characteristics of the feedback, negative feedback results is better stability in steady state. So compared to positive feedback, negative feedback results is better stability in steady state. And the second one, the accuracy is tracking the steady state using negative feedback is high. And the third one, negative feedback eliminates all the disturbances corrected automatically. And the fourth one, there is a reduction in gain with the negative feedback with the expense of better stability. The characteristics, negative feedback results is better stability in steady state. The accuracy is tracking the steady state using negative feedback. And the third one, negative feedback eliminates all the disturbances corrected automatically. There is a reduction in gain with the negative feedback with the expense of better stability. And the effects of feedback, the control variable automatically follow the desired value. The control variable automatically follow the desired value. Feedback is a control system greatly increasing the negative speed of the system. And the effects on control variable of disturbances other than associates with the feedback sensor greatly reduces. These are the effects of feedback. The control variable automatically follow the desired value. Feedback is a control system greatly increasing the speed of the system. And the effects on control variable of disturbances other than associates with the feedback sensor greatly reduces. These are the effects and the characteristics of feedback, types of feedbacks, and these are the feedbacks. So first unit is completed. Tomorrow discussing the second unit. Okay, so thank you so much.